What's the meaning of blue whale? Blue whale. Blue whale.
Blue whale. Blue whale. The term blue whale typically refers to the largest mammal on Earth, which is a marine mammal that belongs to the baleen whale suborder. Blue whales can grow up to a length of 100 feet and weigh as much as 200 tons. They have a distinctive blue-gray color and are known for their incredible vocalizations that can travel hundreds of miles through the ocean. Historically, blue whales have been hunted to near extinction, but conservation efforts have helped bring their population back from the brink. Today, blue whales serve as a symbol of the beauty and awe-inspiring power of the natural world.